Greetings to everyone. The topic of our video today pertains to a radical new particle detector called PLATON that turns one solid, unbroken block of scintillator into a high-speed, three-dimensional camera capable of tracking invisible particles with astonishing precision. Scientists at ETH Zurich and EPFL combined a light-field camera, ultra-sensitive single-photon avalanche diode sensors, and a transformer neural network adapted from large language models to reconstruct the origin of faint light flashes inside the material. Instead of carving the detector into roughly 2 million tiny cubes linked by 60,000 optical fibers, the scale already used in Japan's T2K neutrino experiment, PLATON images the entire volume at once. Laboratory tests with the prototype successfully reconstructed electron tracks from a strontium-90 source even when only 5 photons were recorded, while simulations of a 10 by 10 by 10 centimeter detector deliver average three-dimensional spatial resolution of 190 micrometers and can select desired neutrino interactions with 92% efficiency and 90% purity. A full cubic meter version still achieves a few millimeters resolution, matching today's best segmented systems without the manufacturing nightmare of millions of individual components, and the same approach has already generated 3 patents aimed at sharper positron emission tomography medical scans. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, hype, share and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.